I would like to introduce the Mad Mentor.
Hi everyone, welcome to the Mad Mentor, and in today's video I wanted to share some great news. The channel's reached the big 10,000 subscribers, so I wanted to say a big thank you for all your support, for everyone that's subscribed and every thumbs up and comment and share. It means a lot, so thank you all. Started the channel to help others with Kodi and tech related content, and it's something I really enjoy doing. It'd be really hard at times trying to keep up with all the different content and keeping within guidelines, but I've got loads of ideas for the future, and although a lot of my content's been Kodi related, I'm looking to bring more tech related videos too, with a bit more variety to the channel. And another update, I should also have the website ready soon, so look out for that, and I plan on bringing you free giveaways. So keep your eyes peeled. Thanks again everyone. Let me know your thoughts in the comments, and I'll see you next time.
Peace!